camera's gonna get, but it's my turn, unfortunately. Get the damn glasses on. I broke all my straps free, but I have not pulled any of them off. And that's where we got to go, right there, if the camera can see it. And man, it's thawing out right here next to the building, even though the outside temperature's still in the 20s. Angle it so that when you get your front end back to the left, it cocks the trailer so it's heading into the hole. And gentle on the brakes. Let's hope this damn hard hat don't fall off my head. Too damn long. I need to straighten it just a touch before we get too cocked in there. I was thinking that dock was as wide as that door, but it's wider. Looks like crap, but it'll be all right. I'm gonna pull up, straighten up. I don't want to bang the damn building. Oh, Jordan did a hell of a lot better job than I'm doing, I promise you. And of course, my damn phone decides to ring. Y'all kiss my ass, damn it. Why don't y'all call me when I'm busy? Alright. It looks pretty good right there, boys and girls. Yep. Made a little bit of a hash of it, but it ain't that big a deal. Ain't quite centered up. Let me walk it over a little bit. That was my dispatch, I think, calling. Gentle on the brakes. Just float it over a little bit to my right. Don't get over aggressive with the steering wheel. Then you gotta watch your damn mirrors, make sure you don't hit the freaking door. And that cracked mirror there, I did not do that, Ice did that. Oh, well, that's closer than I thought it was. I bumped the piss out of it.